Local news for Wednesday the 6th of December. Aratoi Wairarapa Museum of Arts and History welcomes the new Arts Quarter in Masterton with 4 arts and cultural organisations now located within one city block. Aratoi, Con Art and King Street Artworks along with the Tipatu Ki Tuki o Wairarapa, together the 4 organisations represent significant resources, both private and public, for the community. Everyone is invited to Aratoi Regional Trust annual meeting on Monday the 11th at 5 p.m, with Simon Bowden, Executive Director of the Arts Foundation, due to speak. Spending through Paymark across the country totalled $5,180 million in November. This amounts to 0.9% seasonally adjusted rise on October. Relative to November last year, underlying spending growth was 6.2% higher than averaged over the previous 4 months. In Wairarapa, the volume of transactions was up 10.7%, with a 10.3% increase on the same period last year. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Sevens head away this weekend to compete in the Central Zone Tournament, with their first game up against Hawke's Bay. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.